What? That was absolutely unnecessary. I can't bag this item. Wait. Oh, you're gonna like it in a second. Oh, the guys from Adrenaline Rush just like came to Walmart. Is that Ducati? I was like, I want to go check out that Ducati. This seat isn't even like a leather. It's this weird suede. The future. Alright, so I could have him face backwards. That way his tail, and I just sit on his tail. Yeah, I can do that, and then just figure out some way to strap him to my bike with the straps that I have in my saddlebags that I currently don't have on my bike. Should I go in and buy some paracord? I probably should. Let's see what happens if I just stick them between my legs. I got no clue what he said. Yes! This is gonna be brilliant. I just want a number 2 meal.
With what kind of drink?
I don't want to drink with that. So actually,
Just a sandwich and fries?
just a sandwich and fries.
Him in the big old
Dinosaur?
Yes.
For me?
People will look over and then they're like, what?
What the heck is that? Okay. This is like a Luigi. I want a Luigi. That would be perfect.
So cute. I want to touch it. I wanted to. Oh my god.
You want?
You get it
I want it. Can I have it, Alex?
It's my baby boy.
Give it to you, or you give it to
No, I literally just bought it probably for next year's Valentine's because they're half off. Yeah. It was like 15 bucks.
15 bucks.
15 bucks.
How many quarters? I'm sorry.
Is that, do I get the half off?
Huh?
Do I get the half off, or did you? Is, do you remember the last time I came to this drive-thru? Yeah. It's easier. Remember the last time I came into this drive-thru? You weren't familiar with that? My bike stalled out and I tried to bump start it and I was stuck here for hours because it wouldn't start back up. It was crazy. It's a chicken leg. Dang. Go. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, that was mean of me. I didn't realize. You need help? You need help? You good? Alright. I thought he was just clueless. Yeah, I thought he was like down looking at his phone and totally missing that there was a light. Why did I just stall? Because I revved it. Why did it stall? Hey.
Okay, but I have cinnamon rolls, so how's this gonna work?
Ooh. Wait, what?
I have cinnamon rolls.
Are we gonna ride over to Bianca's?
I mean, you can leave it here and we can walk.
No, let's ride over to Bianca's. Alright. How do I get to Bianca's?
You're gonna make me walk by myself?
Huh?
You're gonna make me walk by myself?
You can get on the bike if you want.
No, but how do I do this with cinnamon rolls?
You can hold it in front of me.
Okay, don't I have to wear your backpack?
You might have to do that again here. I might wear it as a front pack.
A front pack?
A front pack. Yeah, boy.
You look like a shirt over that. You can be pregnant.
I am.
You are?
I am pregnant.
Wait.
You might be cool, but you're not. Riding on the back of a motorcycle with cinnamon rolls cool. You just reached a new level of cool.
I did.
Now you gotta brag about it on Instagram.
No, you don't. We need to drive past that little like. Okay.
They just now went through the intersection. They were ways off. Hi! Woof.
Yeah, she's an attention kid. You mean attention hog? She wants to jump like
Aw,
something.
he's like smiling. You can see her actual smile.
You're gonna give me. She thinks that's for her.
Huh? She called you a space alien.
Oh, thanks. I've got earplugs in, so like everything you just said, I didn't really hear it. I was trying.
I hate you.